Do you feel like your money disappears too fast? Want an easy way to manage finances and still enjoy life? Follow this 6-fund system to achieve financial freedom. Fund 1. Financial Freedom. 10%. This fund is for future investments and passive income. Let it grow. Only use it for health emergencies if needed. Fund 2. Long-term Goals. 10%. Save for major life goals. Whether it's home improvement, travel, or business investment, this fund helps make your dreams a reality. Fund 3. Education. 10%. The best investment is in yourself. Use this for books, courses, and skill development to increase your earning potential. Fund 4. Fun. 10%. Enjoy life with financial balance. Use this for shopping, entertainment, or personal rewards. Fund 5. Giving. 5%. Give to receive more. Support your family with 3% and contribute 2% to charity or community causes. Fund 6. Living Expenses. Remaining amount. This covers daily essentials like rent, food, and bills. Distribute it wisely over 4 weeks to avoid running out. The key to success: consistency and financial discipline. Which fund do you think is the most important? Comment below.